Hello guys, welcome back to Startyfx channel. On this channel, it's all about binary trading, forex trading, and crypto trading. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, this is a continuation of our forex trading lessons. This is a part 2, and on this video we are going to learn about currency pairs. So if you are interested to learn more, make sure you watch until the end of this video. So we are going to start off with the currency abbreviation. The currency symbols always have 3 letters. The first 2 letters show the country, and that the third letter represents the currency. For example, we have USD. US stands for United States, and D stands for dollar. These 3 letters are called ISO 4217 currency codes, which are set by International Organization for Standardization. So the next thing that we need to know here is what is a currency pair. A currency pair is the combination of 2 different currency that are traded against each other in the forex market. It shows the value of one currency compared to another. In forex trading, the base currency is the first currency listed in a currency pair. It represents the amount of that currency that you are buying or selling. The value of the base currency is always expressed in terms of the second currency in the pair, which is called the quote currency or counter currency. For example, we have Euro USD. So Euro is the base currency and USD is the quote currency. For example, if the exchange rate of Euro USD is 1:2000, it means 1 euro, the base currency, is equal to $1,200, which is the quote currency. When you buy a currency pair, when you buy a currency pair, which is, let's say example for Euro USD, you are buying the base currency, which is euro, and selling the quote currency, which is USD. And when you sell the pair, which is Euro USD, you are selling the base currency euro and buying the quote currency. So I hope you get that. So example, if you are buying Euro USD, if you are buying Euro USD, it means you have euro but selling dollars. And if you are selling the pair, which is Euro USD, it means you are selling the euro and then you have your dollar. I don't know if you can get that, but I hope you understand. So the next thing that we need to know here is there are 3 types of currency pair. The first one, they are major currency pair. These pairs always include the US dollar. So it's you you can't mistake them because they always include the US dollar, and they are the most traded in the world. They have the high liquidity, meaning they are easy to buy or sell quickly without much price change. So example, we have Euro USD, we have USD JPY, we have others. Yeah. We have AUD, USD. The next one that we have here, it's minor currency pair. This pair do not include the US dollar, but involve other major currency like the euro, British pound, or Japanese yen. They are less traded than major pairs. Sorry, but still fairly liquid. So example, we have Euro JPY. We have JPP, JPY. So the third one that we have here in the list is exotic currency pair. Exotic pairs include one major currency like US dollar or euro, and a currency from a smaller or emerging market. We have like Turkey or South Africa. These pairs are less liquid and can be more volatile, meaning their prices can change quickly. So example, we have USD TRY, which is Turkish lira. Another one, we have Euro ZAR, which is Euro South African Rand. So each of these pairs behave differently in the market depending on factors like trading volume, volatility, and the economic condition of the countries involved. So the major pairs are the most liquid in the market. So liquid means it refers to how active a financial market is. In Forex, it depends on how many traders are buying and selling a specific currency pair and the volume of trades happening. So the more frequent a currency pair is traded, the higher its liquidity. So example, we have gold, we have Euro USD, we have AUD USD. Yeah. So as a beginner, I would advise you start off trading with major currency pairs. So I'm going to list a few of the major currency pair in the market so that maybe you can mix match and maybe you can go ahead and try them out. So we have USD, we have Euro, we have Japanese yen, we have Great Britain pound, which is GBP, we have AUD, we have CAD, CHF, and ZD. So for this one, you can try to mix match them like Euro USD, we have USD GPY, we have AUD USD, so etc etc. Before that, I would advise you can decide to have at least 3 currency, master the strategies on those currency instead of trading on all of them. You can even choose to just trade one currency instead of concentrating, because one strategy may not work on the next pair. So we can go to trading view and then maybe look at a few of the currency. As you can see here, we have JPP USD. We can come here and search for Euro USD. So let me So I think in my next lessons, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can calculate your profits with pips. You can also know about leverage, margin, the spread. So make sure you watch my next videos because I'm going to teach you one or two things. So example, if you are buying here, so if we decide if we bought our pair here, if we decide we bought here, it meant we bought Euro and then we sold our USD. But let's say we decided to sell here. Example, I'm going to put it here. Let me just draw. I hope you guys can understand about base and quote currency. So if you are selling, let's say it's coming down here, it means we are selling our Euro and we are having the dollar in our account. If we are buying Euro here, we are selling gold, and if we are selling here up, it means we are selling our Euro and then we have our dollar. Sorry, I mentioned gold instead of a dollar. Make sure you watch my next video because I'm going to be dropping the videos every now and then. So master this currency pair. Mastering this currency pair is just the first step in your trading journey. Keep learning, stay informed, and the market will be your playground. So I have a question for you guys. Which currency pair do you find more interesting? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Forex tips. So see you in my next video.